So if you want to create a precision machine, I would advise you to mill out a block or have somebody mill it for you. That way you can put it up against here and make sure that the distance you did in a computer matches. So now this jig is done to align the rails, and it's going to sit flat like that. If you can see a gap up here, that means it's not even. So we got to unscrew all these and re-screw them back in. But on the end, it's pretty flat. That's fine. It's just down there. That's how you create a precision machine, is by taking time and trying to understand how to set up your linear rails. It's the most important part of the machine, because if you have one side lower than the other, you're going to be cutting on one side lower than the other. And when you figure that out, you're going to either A, have to fix your linear rails, or B, you're going to have to put a lot of shims underneath one side to get it parallel. Just do it right the first time. That's all I got for y'all. Here's the jig in action. I got a clamp going across the back side over here, and then I'm clamping the linear rails to the block here, and that's going to pull it in this way. And as you can see, there's no gap up on this part.